What's up, homies, and welcome back to Teach Me Tuesdays. If you guys have a request for a tutorial, the link for that is in the description below or up on the screen to the Discord where you can join us. Today we're going to learn how to play Why by Micah G. So grab your ukuleles and let's go jam. Alright guys, we got some unorthodox chords that we're going to play today. So our first chord is going to be A minor 7. And the easiest way we can play that is just by leaving the whole entire thing open. Okay, so we're just going to hold it. Okay, we're gonna play E minor 7. I'm so sorry, I promise I'm not farting. It's my ukulele on top of the couch. Okay, I swear. Promise. Okay, E minor 7, we're gonna cover the bottom string on the 2nd fret and then the 3rd string on the 2nd fret. Okay. And then D minor 7, which is covering the 2nd string 1st fret, top 2 strings on the 2nd fret, bottom string on the 3rd fret. Okay, and we're gonna play D minor 7 twice. Okay, so. Okay, homies, let's go over the structure of this song. We're gonna start with an intro, then we got verse 1, chorus, verse 2, chorus, got an instrumental, then a little bit of a rap, and then we're gonna have the chorus and the outro. Hi guys, I just want to give you a quick note about the strumming. I play by ear. I learned and I taught myself how to play by listening to the music on the radio and then emulating it the best way I could. The reason that I put the play along portion of the videos is so that you can watch what my hands are doing and copy it for yourself. There's even a feature on YouTube where you can slow down the video. And I think that could also help, is to watch it in a slower speed and you can see and listen for every time my fingers hit the strings. I apologize that I wasn't properly educated. I apologize that I am not an educator and I cannot properly tell you how to strum. That is why I don't include strumming tutorials, because I technically don't know how to strum. I just hear what I hear and then I emulate it for myself. Again, I apologize. I'm truly sorry. It is what it is. Sorry. Alright, so let's play along so you guys can hear how it comes all together. And it's the same 3 chords the entire song, so it's going to be super easy, I promise. Okay? So let's start. We got the intro. I'm so sorry. Thank you guys so much for joining me in today's tutorial. If you're new here, subscribe. If you like the video, give it a like. If you know somebody who wants to learn how to play the song, go ahead and share it with them. If you have a request for a tutorial, the link to the Discord is in the description below. And I'll see you guys next week. Okay then.